Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Retro Pop Planet. In that last video, I talked about having just replaced the alternator. Well, then something else happened. So just last week, I was out on a ride. I had to have it towed because the starter died. Luckily, that was a pretty easy fix. I had it towed to the dealer that has worked on my truck since day one. I'm not gonna go through and show you the new starter because it's actually underneath the engine and I wouldn't be able to get my camera in there. The other thing that happened is my horn fell off. I swear, if it's not one thing, it's another. Luckily, this is a very easy fix. It's actually the plastic horn ring assembly, and just these little tabs cracked, they broke. I only have one functioning one left. I looked up a website that was recommended to me, and I found them anywhere between 99 cents and $2.99, so not that bad of a fix. That's a future project. You can actually buy a new piece minus the emblem. However, this is original to the truck, and I just want to keep it as is. I may try to clean up a little bit of this chrome, but otherwise, let's keep it original. The other thing that I said I was going to do is replace the chrome tips on the truck, as these ones that I've had on here for years have just rusted. One's actually bent. I don't know how it got bent, but I found these at the local auto parts store. I think I paid $10 in total for two of them, and they're going to definitely do the job. It should be pretty easy to do. There's just screws on the back. So this video is just going to be a little quickie. Let's put new chrome tips on the truck. So I don't necessarily want to throw away the chrome tips that I remove. I might actually try to sand them down and put a coating on them and then just donate them to the local thrift store. As you can tell, my bike is in the back. I just got off a pretty lengthy mountain bike trip and I'm actually sweating through my clothes, so I'm gonna keep this video short. I got a lot of feedback on the last truck vlog, so I figured I would just continue to do more of them while I still own the truck. I've got a couple other projects down the line that I wanna do just to sort of make it a little bit nicer. Now that, knock on wood, knock on metal, all of the starting issues have been fixed. It now just runs and drives great. So I hope you like this. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if this is your thing. Please know that I am not a mechanic, so all of these little things that I do in the video is just to keep the thing running, to keep it looking nice, and just to keep having fun with it. So take care guys, I'll see you in the next one.